On today's Business Spotlight, we feature NOEL Christmas Lights Professionals Incorporated, a lighting installation, design, and decor company, a Florida-based company serving clients in all 50 states with commercial installations offered in selective states only. NOEL Christmas Lights Professionals Incorporated is your premier lighting specialist since 2009 with over 75 years of combined experience. They are a 24/7 full maintenance services company, the only company that can say that and mean it. Their focus is on all decor, all design, and all installations for any project where ambiance is created, making a difference, giving everyone a wow factor with lighting, art, artificial plants, all decorations, and custom pieces. They can provide installation for weddings of all sizes, events from kids' parties to any size corporate event, and for holidays, any size from residential to corporate, from Christmas, Hanukkah, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Halloween, New Year's Eve, 4th of July, Cinco de Mayo, Easter, and more, creating all interior and exterior installations, design, and decor, both interior and exterior, both temporary and permanent. They serve businesses of all sizes, commercial, residential, government officials. You can contact them today by calling 1-888-217-7413 or visit them online at www.noelchristmaslightpros.com.